Hello, guys. Good afternoon. Welcome to our afternoon live trading session. So on this session, we are going to be analyzing the market together, and as usual, look for entry positions. All right. And guys, guess what? We have Biodun here with us today. Yeah. All right, Biodun. Please say hi to our viewers.
All right, good afternoon, everyone. I'm happy to be here today once again. Please, if you have any question or any suggestion on the kind of trade to analyze, please do well to drop it in the chat room. The only way I can see if you have a question is by reading it out in the chat room to Mr. Leo, and so that both of us can answer your question correctly. And also, if you have any issue regarding payment and the likes, Miss Bella is on the chat room attending to those. So uh, please ensure that if you have not joined our Premium Signal group as well, please do well to join. You already know the drill for those who are already uh, with us. And if you are new to this live stream, remember that the live stream, if you deposit a minimum of $10, you'll be able to join the live stream. Minimum of $15, we also get you to the live stream for 1 month. Why a minimum of $200, we allow you to be in the live stream and also have one-on-one session with Mr. Leo. Now, if you deposit minimum of $10, it will only take you into the live stream for just 2 weeks. And so after the expiration of the 1 month or 2 weeks, depending on which one you deposit, you can also make additional deposit to keep you for another extra 1 month. Enjoy your class, guys. If you have any question, remember, the reason why I'm here is to take your questions and take your suggestion. Please make me useful. Enjoy your class, guys.
All right, guys. You've heard from Biodun. So let's get it on. Okay. Let's go on with our activity. So as usual, guys, go and get your accounts ready. All right. I'm already seeing something. I'm cooking something already. So go get your accounts ready. If you haven't fund, go and fund. If you have a low balance, go and make it top up. All right. And if you want to join my premium group, all you have to do is just fund using the banner. That banner where deposit with benefit is written on. Just click on it. Okay, it will take you to where you can fund your account. Fund at least 10, 15, or $200 to get into the premium group. All right. So $10 for 2 weeks, $15 for a month, $200 for a month, and then you also have the benefit of having a one-on-one session with me. All right. So um, so we have a trade that is currently, in a trade, in a zone. So let's just, wait a bit, see how this ends up. Okay. So if it closes above this area, we take a buy trade. But if it goes below here, then the signal is invalid. All right. So currently this is the 3 minute time frame, but let's go to the 5 minutes. All right. So let's keep on making more analysis and see if we can get an entry. Okay, let's go back to 5 minutes. Okay. All right. 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so this had has already gone above our entry level. Remember our crossing, we take entry from crossing. You see, this is already making a move. So our take profit could have been, our stop loss could have been here or here. Yeah. So this is already playing out. Let's look for another one. All right. Okay. Let's go to the lower time frame. So this is currently inside the zone. All right. So this signal is not tradable. So let's just wait for this to either break below or break above. All right. Okay. So this is entering the zone. Let's go to the 30 minutes time frame. So what we want to see here right now is for this candle to go above our moving average. Okay. So if they go above it, then we take a buy setup. All right. So I think we have up to two setups that we are looking at right now. And as usual, we're going to be scalping it. Okay, we are going to be scalping this. So this is the 3 minutes time frame. Let's just wait for this. So if it goes above these lines, okay, this blue and orange line, then we take our buy trade. Okay, GBPNZD. Let's just keep making more analysis. Okay, the more analysis, the better, right? So whenever we get any confirmation from any of them, then we take our entry. Okay, so same here. If this breaks above, then we take a buy entry also. So I think we have up to three setups right now. So let's see which one would give us a perfect entry. All right. So let's give this a little bit of time. See if it's going to give us our entry. All right. So if this, rejects around this area, then we'll take our entry here and set to take profit from this area. Okay. So let's wait and see if this is going to hold. Okay. So our entry hasn't gotten triggered. So during our morning live trading session, we took two entries, had to close one because started showing an uptrend momentum, and we wanted to sell. Yeah, but the second signal gave us. Oh, sorry. The first signal gave us good profit. Yes. So this afternoon, hopefully, we get more entries and more benefits, more profits. Okay. 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 So currently, we don't have any setup that is meeting our entry. Right. But no worries. We are on the lower time frame. Okay. This is the 5 minutes time frame. So every candle here will take just 5 minutes to finish printing. All right. So um, those will definitely give us, entries within an hour or two. But hopefully we get our entries before we end our live session. All right. Okay, so GBP USD didn't respect that area, didn't respect the zone. So that means this setup is not valid. Okay, it broke below. So let me take this out. So let's check on analysis that we've made earlier. Okay. Let's analyze XAUUSD. Okay. Okay, so right now we don't have any entry opportunity on the XAUSD because the market is currently ranging around these areas. Okay, so there's no clear opportunity. Let's analyze USD JPY. Let's see what is going on USD JPY pair. Okay, so this is great. Let's stay on the for 30 minutes. Yes. So if this closes above and give us a rejection, we are going to take a buy entry. So let's just give this a moment. Let's give it some times, okay? Some minutes. So we are currently on the 30-minute time frame. Let's see how this current candle is going to close. Okay, so if it goes above, if it goes below, then we can, look out for a sell entry. But if it comes above, then we enter for a buy immediately. Okay. So just few more seconds to the close of this candle. Yes. Let's wait for this other one. Okay. So I'm not so comfortable with this first one, but let's wait for the second one. Okay, so that didn't go as planned. The market went below. All right. So this is not a good entry level. All right. Okay, guys, get your account ready. Okay, get your account ready. Um, So we currently have a breakout and retest here. So get your account ready, right? So immediately I get a confirmation, I'm going to give the instruction. Okay.
Lolio.
Yes, Biodo.
Yeah, Paul Steven made a suggestion. He said you
Okay.
should analyze USD JPY.
USD JPY. All right, Paul Steven. Thanks for the suggestion. So we just left USD JPY just now. Okay. So we were actually anticipating a buy from here, but the market broke below. So right now, let's wait. Let's see if this is going to give us, another break in. All right. So if this gives us a retest around this area, then we sell to the downside. Okay. So we are going to be scalping this on the 1 minute or 3 minutes time frame. So whichever time frame we get the confirmation first, we are going to scalp it from there. All right. Okay. So you see, the market is still moving to the downside. So the momentum of a sell here is very strong, and that is why you see the market making all these moves. So we have this area also where we've marked out. Guys, let me just quickly analyze this market, all right? Because I'm seeing the potential. I'm seeing a profit potential here. I actually wanted this to close below, all right? I want this to close below and give me a crossing on the 5 minutes time frame. A crossing of moving average on the 5 minutes time frame is going to get us an entry here. So let's see, how this closes. Let's see if we can actually get an entry. So I want this to come below, okay? Give us a week and a very small body. So that way we are going to be selling to the downside. But if it doesn't close below, then we continue with our analysis and look for another setup. So it's just 2 minutes more to the end of this candle. This is the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so I think the buy pressure here is very strong, and that is why the market just keep pushing up. All right, let's go to 30 minutes. See, okay. So this didn't give me, opportunity to call out for a buy signal. Just started making a move to the upside. We could have bought from here and target here as our stop loss. Okay, guys. Let's see. Let me see if we can actually, continue with this ride. So if this comes below to this area, I'm going to call a buy trade on NZDCAD. Okay. So immediately I saw that, I wanted to, um, call out a buy signal, but the market didn't even allow me speak before it just pulled up. So, and as I've always said, trading requires a lot of patience. Okay, so you can't just jump into an analysis and buy or sell. Okay, so there should be things that are giving you confidence. Okay, so if you are not seeing those confirmation, it is better you stay away from such market. All right. So I got the confirmation, but I couldn't call out the buy trade, and the market just started making a move to the upside. So you see, just imagine we bought from here. See, would have been heading towards our TP right now. But no worries. we'll surely get another entry. Okay, so this is tapping into our entry right now, which is a good thing. Let's go to the 30-minute time frame. Let's see if we can get a rejection here. So we get rejection, we take entry. Easy as that. Let's stay on this. Let's see what happens. Let's see if this is going to give us a rejection. So once we get the rejection there, we are going to open a sell position. All right. Okay. So once we get a rejection, we are going to be selling. All right. So you can set your chart to NZD USD. Okay. So when that time comes, you don't have to rush. You understand? So this move, is currently invalidating this area. So let me just take this out. Okay. So we have another zone here, and see how the market has moved from that zone before. So the same trade order still stands. If it closes below, we take our entry. Okay. So that didn't close below. Let's go to the 5 minutes. You see, the candle made a very huge move. Okay, so let's stay on the 5 minutes. Let's see if the 5 minutes candle is going to close. So if this, does close, then we take our entry. Just few seconds more to the end of this candle. Few seconds. If it closes below, we take an entry. Okay, so that didn't close below. So I don't think we are getting an opportunity very soon. I don't think we are getting an opportunity here very soon. So let's, okay, wait a bit. So let's stay on the 1 minute. Let's see if this 1 minute is going to give us a bearish engulfing candle. Okay.
Is there an issue with you?
No, 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 no.
Okay, okay. I'm seeing
Uh,
your chat moving, but I'm not hearing you, so I was wondering. Okay,
yeah, I was actually analyzing the market.
okay,
I'm
okay,
not
okay.
getting, yes, I'm not getting any great opportunity right now. So guys, we are still on it. All right. Okay. So if we get a rejection here, we are going to place this entry. Okay. You can see break came back in retest. So the market is expected to go down from here. And then we have our stop loss around here. Our take profit just right below this. So let's see if this is going to give us an entry. Okay. So the 15-minute candle is also giving us a rejection. You see? So let's see if this rejection will hold. If it does, then we take a sell trade. Let's go back to the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so just few minutes, just a minute and few seconds to the end of this candle. So guys, get your account ready. USDJPY. Sure, we're definitely gonna take a trade here. So get your account ready. USDJPY. So we are getting a good rejection from there. Guys, get your account ready. Any moment from now, I'm gonna call a trade. Okay, I think we should just set our stop loss here since the market has already moved past. All right, guys, let's sell USDJPY. USDJPY, sell now. Okay, so we're gonna be scalping this. We don't have a stop loss, we don't have a big profit yet. Yeah, but if this comes to this area, we close positions. Yeah, we take profit here. Then if this goes above here, then we close with the small loss. So USDJPY we are selling. So guys, I hope you placed yours. I'm currently on this. USDJPY. I'm currently selling this. This is the 3 minute time frame. Okay. So I don't want us to have um, a long stop loss. If this market, comes back to this area because we already have a retest. If the market goes back to their area, we close the trade, right? So let's just give this, few minutes. Let's see how it turns out. But hopefully, we make profit. So if this comes to this area, we close our profit. If it goes above, we take our loss. So since we are given this time, I think we should look for another entry because we have, you know, just a little bit of time before the end of our session for this afternoon. So, so we are still waiting on this to give us our profit. All right. So let's check on Euro USD. Okay. Lower time frame. So since we are trading on the lower time frame, it is best to always, check on your trade, right? You don't want to take your eyes off your trade and, you start going into loss. So you see, the market is currently heading to the downside, and we are currently making profit. Yes. So let's give this a little bit more of time and, you know, so if it comes to this area, we close the trade in loss. Okay, so we take our loss from here, we take our profit from this area. So I'm still looking at this. So like I said, we are not closing until it goes above this area. Okay. So if it doesn't go above it, we are not closing. Because if the market will go above it, then the market will definitely continue to go up, right? So that is why we are not closing until it goes above it. And if it doesn't go above it, then we are still on. So right now we are still on this trade. Even though we had that little drawdown, we are in profit right now. Okay. So if you know what you are doing, um, you have the confidence. All right. I'm not saying you are going to be getting 100%, entries every time. But when you see the pattern, you're definitely gonna know if the market would go your way or not. Okay, and I knew the market is gonna go down from here. Okay, so we are in good profit right now, guys. We are in profit. So this is where we are taking our profit. This is the 5 minutes time frame. So let's just allow this trade to come to this area. Then we close. We take profit. Okay. All right, that's good. So guys, we are in good profit. Okay, so we have a little zone here. All right, let's close this trade. Okay, so let's take this profit and wait for another signal. All right, so we made good profit here, guys. We made good profit. We made good profit. um let's look for another signal before the end of our session. All right, let's look for another one. Okay, so let's stay on the 3 minutes time frame. So let's see if we are going to be getting a close above before the end of our session. If we do get a close above, then we place a buy position for this also. All right. So our first entry was a big win. Okay, that was a very big win. Okay. So I want to see if we can actually get an opportunity here. All right. Okay, but if I'm going to give this trade out, then we're definitely going to set a stop loss and a take profit. Okay, because the time is already against us. And aside that, this is our entry. So our stop loss will be around here. Okay. Okay. Let's go to 1 minute. That's terrible. Okay. 5 minutes. Mm, so I want to be sure if this is something that I can actually give out to you guys. All right. So our stop loss is too small here. But if we are going to set a stop loss around this area, I think it's too wide. Okay. I think stop loss around this area is too wide, and we have a very small risk to reward ratio. Right, we have a very small risk to reward ratio. But guys, don't worry. Okay, so even though we are not able to get our usual two setups, but at least our setup gave us good profit. Okay, and there's no point rushing the trade and then losing the profit that we just made. So that is why it is very important to have a plan. Okay, so when you don't get a setup, do not force trading. Don't force yourself to trade if the setup is not um, showing, if you are not getting the setup. All right. um, and again, this is why I always advise you all to join my premium group. Okay, so if you're on my premium group, you don't have to worry about not getting more than two signal on the live stream. Okay, because on the premium group I provide signals every day, at least three signals per day. All right, so join the premium group. um you know get good signals. Okay, signals aside, signals I provide here on the live stream. Okay, so guys, we've come to the end of this session for today. Join us again tomorrow. All right, our morning session by 10 a.m. Let's analyze the market together and possibly look for entries to place trade. All right, so far so good. We've been making profits. Yes. All right. This week I think we've made good profit overall. Though we've made good profit because I keep records of everything that we do here every day. Okay, so we've been making good profit. This morning we made profit. All right. Even though we closed the other one in loss, it was a very tiny loss, and I made sure of that. Okay. And this afternoon again, the signal we took gave us a very good profit. So guys, please come and join the premium group. This you are testing here is just a tip, okay, of what we do on the premium group. So if you join the premium group, you're going to be getting the full package of this. All right. So, guys, Biodun, do you have anything you want to say to them before we end the session?
Nothing really. I just want to encourage everyone to, for those who are struggling to make profit, those who are struggling to make money, if you don't know how to trade, you can kill two birds with a stone uh, by learning and at the same time earning. So far, so good. For every week, there's no account that goes on loss if you follow all the signals in the premium signal group. No one will come to the premium signal group and go with a loss if they follow the instruction and follow the signal. So if you want to make money, please join our premium signal group so that you can, and the deposit you are making is for you. You are not making the deposit for anyone. It's still your money. You still withdraw it anytime you want. All we require is serious. We want to see is the seriousness in you. And the only way to know that you are serious is not just by saying it, is by seeing that you are taking actions. And actions has to do with you making the deposit on our live stream. So if you have any question whatsoever along the line, even if you are not on the live stream, please ask the question. Ask Miss Bella. You can tag her on the general Telegram channel, or you message her. You always see her phone number on the Telegram channel to message her. Now, you don't have the opportunity to communicate with Mr. Liu himself, except if you are one of those who made at least $200 deposit. With that $200 deposit, you can communicate with him one-on-one, and you can even have a live stream personal session, live stream one-on-one session with him. So, guys, the live stream is open anytime, any day. Even if you woke up at midnight, the live stream is there. You can go there, click on the banner, and make your deposit. It doesn't have to be when the live stream is on. So I'm just trying to encourage you guys because I want you to make money and I want you to keep using our platform. And the only way to keep using the platform is by making money. So we are already showing you the way, guys. So enjoy. Enjoy the rest of your day and have a nice day. Bye.
All right, guys. So enjoy the rest of your day. Um, we'll gather here again tomorrow. All right, Biodun. See you tomorrow.
All
Bye.
right.